All right, both numbers 1 and 2. Going to do the same approach as last time. Start with the drums, the bass, the MIDI guitar, then eventually mute that MIDI guitar, eventually mute the bass, and then just go to the metronome. So when you work on this guy with just the metronome, keep that swing feel subdivision clicking away. And for this guy, keep the full triplet subdivision going the whole time. Now when working this up, I still want you to go up, I think we were doing 2s, right? When you work this up, do it without the repetition. So turn off the repeats, and then when it's time to finish this off, add the repetition back in. So, following Guitar Pro, you have to turn that off. I think I showed it last time, I don't remember. But just in case, you just come over here into that bar, make sure this panel is open, and you'll see the blue highlighted thing right there. Just turn that off, and come back here, turn that off as well. And then turn it back on. Just give that a click, come back over here, give this a click. It'll bring up how many times you want to repeat, so just the 2, and there you go. So, yeah, about 10 to 15 minutes. Well, this is really the 2 things. I take, up to 15 minutes getting it up as fast as you can, and then add in just 1 repeat. That'll be fine. So let's work it up in 2s without the repeat. After 15 minutes, wherever you get in those 15 minutes, add the repeat in. Try and play it just twice through there. That'd be good. If you max out in less than 15 minutes, then drop the metronome or the tempo by like 10 beats per minute, and then add the repeat in there. All right, here we go. Number 1, starting at 40. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. I need to turn that up a little bit. All right, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3. And I did notice I had the wrong chord at the end when I was adding in the backing track stuff. So we went the A5 at the end. I had an E5 before. Don't want that. All right, let's go to 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's the wrong chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4. On to number 2. I just tuned this with a tuner. I need to check the intonation. Alright, that's a bit better. Okay, count of 3, starting at 40, with the triplet subdivision going 1, 2, 3, 1, and 3, 1, and 3, 1, and 3, 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 80, 1, 2, 3. $120. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Go. So I'll leave this up to you. I currently have the drums twice at the beginning, and apparently missing a rest cymbal here. Oops. There we go. See, I got the drums playing twice at the beginning, so you can hear the full rhythm pattern you're going to do 2 times before you follow along. If you feel like you are fine with only listening to it once, go ahead and take the repeats off the beginning there. Well, I just wanted to make sure you have everything you need to help you out, make things as easy as possible. So, after a bit, seems like you're doing just fine. You don't need to hear it twice. Go ahead and get rid of the repeats. But maybe at the faster tempos, you feel like it would make things better if you heard it play twice. Just add them back in. All right. Any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.